Well, he attack me. But JAYDEN Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, and now welcome to the channel. I'm JAYDEN Chase, and another one we're going to bring another reasoning on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and let your voice be heard. Like and share the video, and of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Now, Nation, Andre Stevens and Mobile pastor Kevin Smith might not be related biologically, but their message is one and the same. What Smith had said he would do, Stevenson is on a campaign of doing so. And the new head of Kevin Smith's church made some very same or close statements about the political elite of the Jamaican island. Nation, me can hear what going. And then of course we'll continue the reasoning. So right now more you look and of course more you listen.
People, they are really rebellious. They are very much rebellious. Majority, 99.9.5% of them. They are very rebellious. And when I hear this young man speaks some stuff, as I said before, I don't hear everything from his mouth because I have not watched all of his videos. Amen. And I don't think I will watch all of his videos either. Amen. But based on the few stuff that I have heard, amen, spiritually speaking, I can say God has confirmed them. And I know many will hate me for saying that. Amen. I can say God has confirmed them. Amen. As I said before, I have not heard all of his clips. Amen. I'm not listening to one of his videos might be an hour or 2 hours or so. I have not listened to even half of it. I have not listened to even half of it. Amen. I have not listened to even half of it. Amen. Now let me show you something, that there is corruption. There is corruption in Jamaica. And the people are blind to notice it. When anyone speaks badly or speak in any negative way concerning the government of Jamaica, they find them quick. Hello? If anyone speak negatively or rise up against the government or the system of Jamaica, police find them quick. But why is it that it takes so long for them to find that man that is kidnapping those children in St. Thomas? Why is it taking them so long to find those missing children? Why is it taking them so long to find these gunmen that is terrorizing other people? Why is it taking them so long to find these criminals? But it's so easy for them to target and to find people that are letting their voice be heard. Hello? If somebody come and speak or prophesy against the government or the system, or speak some words concerning the government or expose the government, police and officers and this person are quick to find them. Quick to find them and charge them, lock them up or something. But it take them months for them to find that kidnapper down in St. Thomas that is kidnapping and raping the other children down there. It take them years. I doubt they have found or know any location of where that blind girl is that went missing. Have they found the blind girl as yet that went missing? She was coming from UM. Am I right? Huh? Have they found her as yet? No. They haven't found her. So many missing children. So many missing children. But what I noticed with the government of Jamaica, and I say that it is just like Donald Trump. They are so glued to social media. They are so glued to social media. Everything happening on social media. They know about it. They're so focused on social media. Oh, you even have time to even view Facebook. And you have a country that is falling apart.
Yes, nation. As I say, very similar message about the fact that funds have been mismanaged. You know what I mean? Resources have been mismanaged. And truth be told, these discussions are not foreign to the minds of Jamaican citizens. These are situations discussed by the average individual on a day-to-day basis. It is just that in this day and age, with the advent of social media, not only can instances, situations be recorded and stored, rewatched, and shared across the globe so people can see what take place, as in the case with Holness and his recent speech. And even the speech before that, in which some say he was almost moved to tears. Some saying the tears are not genuine. Some saying it was a show. Some saying it just shows the situation and the effect that it has had on the Prime Minister emotionally. We don't know. What do you think? But for the most part in this day and age, we see calls are forward from members of even the ruling party, members of the opposition. We see talk make from church leaders. We see talk make from former members of the party. And we can't act like we never hear only say. What we see take place is being orchestrated by people who have been a part of the political landscape for decades now. We can't act like him never said that live. And then to hear Andre point out say, yes, there is a plot amongst party members to have a new president. Because they are saying that certain things are not being shared up the right way. The right contracts are not being given to the right set of people. How would we take place? We see it. Remember, people always found it strange that Holness himself stated that, these are days when we don't have no movement, and these are days when, you know what I mean, people not fair engage in our business activities. And it was shocking enough that it was members of his own party who were first seen breaking these protocols, showing that they were not in unison. Them never together and decisions being made. And some blatantly just had no respect for the authority, even though they are part of the same authority. That even now show the situation that most political leaders are in. Some would say the game is built on corrupt foundation. And with even the best of minds who go into this field with the best of intention, somewhere along the line, we don't know, something always happen. Will this be another pivotal moment in Jamaican history? Or just another situation where happen and then months from now, nobody ever really remember? What do you think? Do you feel like months from now, or let's say when the next election was around, people will remember statements being made by Andre Stevens? I'm not sure. Because we have seen lots of these situations take place in the media. And at the first we see major political scandals taking place, business people are get outed. No. Them things are not unique to Jamaica. It happens all across the Caribbean and all across the world. It currently still happens in America with numerous political figures. And it happens across Europe. It's not strange. So do you think that this will be a moment where, the population of the nation rises up and start to pay more attention to things that take place? Alright, this is just another scenario where it take place and months from now, people even forget say it did happen. Talk to me. What's the one called JAYDEN, dancer and news correspondent? And you know, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. And I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the sentiments. And of course, for those who don't, you man out move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, want to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned until the reason again.